So I got another locomotive rescue here, but this one's kind of unique because this is a belt-driven locomotive. See the rubber belt? Goes around this drum that the wheels are on. It's got one on either side. When I dug it out and cleaned it up, it did not have belt on it, of course. So I found some on eBay for like $4 for 50 of them. And you have to take these screws out to get the wheels off to put them on there. What's really cool about this thing, this is actually my first belt-driven locomotive. I didn't even know they existed until maybe a couple of months ago. I definitely did not know that I had one. This little Athearn belt-driven Hustler switcher, number 60. Got to do something about those, but that'll come later. But anyway, check this out. That's low speed. Crazy. But the good news is all that torque, it will pull. It also does a really good job of shoving, which is what switchers do.